moved out. This was from a real estate agent. Selling their house. Something about it. I don't even know what's going on here. Something about a temperature. Something. They said pressure valve. I don't even know what that means. Well, I mean, couldn't even leave a light bulb. Take this off right here. Oh, mama. Woo! I gotta get the enforcer. The enforcer. Stupid. I'm gonna make her come out. Woo! Come on. See all that? Alright, so we're just going to do this in copper. I'm not going to cut a piece of black iron. Just put that on there. And then, so where are we at here? So the floor, so we're at 29 inches. So we got to come 6 inches off the 6 inches off the floor. So it's going to bring us to 23. Yeah, it's going to bring us to 23. Piece of M here. I use these pads to clean the copper off. Sometimes I use emery cloth, but they do a great job, and they don't leave it scored or anything like that. They do a pretty good job. I mean, if it's dirty copper, yeah, I'm gonna use some emery cloth. But clean copper, just a little. I even use this to get in there. On there. See all that right there? I usually like cleaning it off. I usually like to clean it off because the flux does help it. Flux does help it suck in that solder into the joint. Looks good. I usually use pipe dope on this, but I don't have any in my bag right now. My solder bag, so. I'll just put a little Teflon tape. So that's it. Little discharge right there. 6 inches off the ground. Before was about up to here. You don't want anybody to get scalded with hot water. But that's it.